Hi everyone, this is Hunter with Lost Socket Garage. Today, we're going to show you what the phrase, well that escalated quickly, actually means. So, let's take a look around. Right now, we have a 65 and a 66 that we're doing a conversion to. And it's going well, so let's take a look at the 6 that we're doing. Just grabbing the tripod. Thanks, Terry. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Okay. This has our patent pending Mustang man roll cage in it. Get it? Because it's got little feet right there. And it's got little arms. It's got a helmet. Safety first here at Lost Socket Garage. So this one is actually in pretty good condition. We don't have to do a lot of extra metal work to this one. Just to show you with the 65 and 66. Dynacorn only sells the pre-welded side assemblies that come with the kick panels, the rocker, the A-pillar, wheel well, B-pillar, all of that stuff. We actually end up cutting it down to just the inner support. We use the wheel wells when we need them. This car has really good A-pillars, so we're not too worried about that. But basically, we cut off the front piece here and just leave it to where it's the inner structure with the B-pillar. Oh, that was aggressive. We always take our measurements on the old B-pillar. This one was 35 and 3/8. That side is, I think, like 3/4 or something. They're always a little wonky. So we're going hard on this one. But here's where things escalated very, very quickly. Shabam! Look at this. This is a Mustang. Well, it's half of a Mustang. It's 33% of a Mustang right now. Originally, we were just going to do some patches on this, some floor patches, but we ended up starting digging into it. Now we're doing a coupe to fastback conversion, and our customer is going to most likely do an electric swap on it. So we're actually going to be doing not just the conversion, unless he wants to power it by the Flintstone mode. Doing a full floor pan in this. We've already done some patches. You can see in here, floor to firewall patches, like across the board. 80% of the Mustangs we get in here need this patch. Floor to firewall, we did some kick panel patches. We took this all the way, obviously, down to the frame. Now, the rear frame rails are pretty okay. We're going to end up patching those. Front frame rails are pretty rough. I don't know if you can see very well, but they're really, really dented. We'll end up doing the front frame rails, but we're going to do the rest of the car first and then put it back on the rack and do the front frame rails. But this is a good example of when stuff escalates way too quickly. We knew this needed some floor patches, but it ended up needing a full floor. The transition tunnel, as it's called, that goes right here was completely screwed. The rear support was done. The tail panel was done. The majority of the trunk was done. You know, this is just a seriously rough car. Now, we are going to end up doing a Mustang 2 front end on both of these cars because he wants it. Let's see if I can get some good lighting here. He wants them to drive very, very well since he's doing an electric conversion. He wants them to handle real nice, so we're going to go ahead and throw that Mustang 2 front end in on both of these. Let's see. This car has a curse on it. Motor blew on it, so there's that. Getting the 390 big block rebuilt right now. Finished up the 68 Camaro. Actually, all we have to do is an upper cowl on it, then we're done with this. We actually did complete quarter panels on both sides, wheel wells, new trunk floor. You can see right there, new tail panel, new inner valance. Yes, we do Chevys here. I actually prefer doing Chevys here. And then this bad boy over here is a conversion that we already did, but customer wants also a Mustang 2 front end on it, so we're going to go ahead and throw one in there too. Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't yet, there's like 90 of our viewers have not subscribed yet, so subscribe for more content. We're going to be doing a bunch of, as you can see, a bunch of metal work, as well as installing 3 different Mustang 2, not 3 different, but 3 Mustang 2 front ends on 3 different cars. So let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, but let me know in the comments if you guys want a video on installing that Mustang 2 front end. It's pretty straightforward, and it looks amazing from Mustangs to Fear. We love those guys. We only use their Mustang 2 front end setup. It's what we've put in a couple of our other projects, our 65, which I'll do a video on here soon, with a 408 stroker and full suspension and all that jazz. But yeah, subscribe, get notifications, do all that. Let us know what you'd like to see. We're always here to help for you guys trying to do your own conversion out there or install your own Mustang 2 front end or whatever. Let us know if you have questions on it. We're always happy to help. We did have a measurement video come out, I think it was like a month or so ago, on all the measurements you need for a 67 and 68 coupe to fastback conversion. We're going to try to do another video on 65 and 66. Hopefully that'll be coming relatively soon. But stay safe out there, guys. Much love. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. It's amazing to see the channel grow. We love the community that we're starting to build a little bit. But let us know, like I said, if you have any questions. And until next time, peace!